they're ready. Okay, so this is a Calamondin tree. Greetings, my name is Keisha. I'm coming to you from South Florida, and today I'm going to actually go ahead and harvest a few. I've been out here in my little orchard area. All of my fruit trees are in containers, and I have been mulching and fertilizing and up-potting all this other stuff. But now, y'all, it's time to get to it.
In the garden we breathe all the flowers in line. Sunshine woman cause so.
Why do we plant fruit trees? To get fruit. These are, let's see, they're ready. They're still a little green on top, but I'm gonna go ahead and take me a few. I can pull them off. Okay, see it's coming off. They smell so good. They smell sweet. They actually are not that sweet. Okay, if you get you a Calamondin tree, you're going to notice they actually you might not want to pull them like I am, because we pull them, sometimes you get a little like hole in, you see where it's like left behind, a little piece of it. But Calamondins, the skin is sweet, and then the inside is actually sour. So it's like you have to eat the entire thing. So if you're going to eat them, which I'm not going to eat this out here without washing it. I know other people do. I'm sorry, I'm just not. Because I've seen the critters that run around my garden. I'm going to wash mine first. But it smells good. It smells delicious. I'm going to attempt to make my children some calamondade today. Calamondade. Lemonade, but with calamondin, it's like limeade, lemonade, calamondade. Sounds right. So I'm going to pick a few. I'm also going to take some mint inside and try to add that to it as well. Go ahead and harvest a few of these. Okay. I'm going to take them off. And then, let's see here. These are still too green. There we go. It's not a lot, but it should be enough to make a little small picture of a little drink for my kids. Something simple to do, something fun for the afternoon. I'm going to use a garlic press, like a little, you put it inside, squeeze it to get out all the juice and to also break up the skin on these. And then I'm going to mix it with some water, some sugar. I'm going to make a simple syrup out of it. Maybe I make a simple syrup out of all of this. So do half of them, squeeze half of them simple syrup to get more of the flavor out. And I'm gonna put a little bit of fresh mint in there as well. Boil that down for some flavor. I'll let you all know how it tastes. Thank you so much for watching this quick video. Have a great day.
There's so much weight.